Mitu's magic window. Mitu loved to explore. One rainy afternoon, she wandered into her grandmother's dusty attic, filled with old books and forgotten treasures. As she ran her fingers over a wooden chest, she noticed something strange, a small window in the corner that wasn't there before. Curious, Mitu wiped away the dust and peeked through. Instead of seeing the rainy backyard, she saw a bright, sunny meadow filled with colorful flowers and fluttering butterflies. A friendly rabbit in a tiny blue jacket waved at her. Excited, Mitu pushed the window open. With a whoosh, a warm breeze wrapped around her, and suddenly she found herself standing in the magical meadow. The rabbit giggled and said, "Welcome, Mittu. The magic window lets kind hearts visit our world." Mittu spent the afternoon playing with talking animals, picking golden apples, and riding a rainbow-colored bird across the sky. But as the sun began to set, the rabbit led her back to the window. "Come again soon," he said with a wink. With a blink, Mittu was back in the attic, the rain still tapping on the roof. She smiled. She had discovered something truly magical, and she couldn't wait to return.